He's flying. He's flying. I did my makeup, guys, and I'm so proud. Guys, I'm so proud. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Frida. Welcome to the journey of my growth and experiences, where I talk about faith, college, and lifestyle. And today's video I am super excited for because we're talking about money, baby. So today's video, I'm bringing y'all 16 side hustles for college students. I know many of us, we're going on holiday breaks this season or right now, and then the new semester is coming up, and you might be wanting to find new ways to make some extra money on the side. So here are 16 things that I haven't done all of them, but I've done most of them on this list. So with no further ado, let's get right into this video, guys. Number one, sell your study materials or textbook from the previous semester. I know many of us, we have textbooks laying around that after the semester is over, we don't use. And so this is a good way to either go on Facebook Marketplace, go to your bookstore, and try to resell your textbook back to them and make some extra cash. And I know another platform that uses study material that you can sell your study materials to is Study Pool. So you can look into that and try to sell your old study materials or textbooks to make some extra cash, because you spent a lot of money. I know textbooks are like really expensive. Some of them go over $100 or $200. So maybe you can even make a fraction of that back. Number two, sell your equipment or things that you have laying around that are still in good condition. I know whenever I move out, because I've moved about 3 times so far within my college career, and each time I take an inventory of what I have in my room, and I either try to sell it or donate it. But if you can sell some of the stuff, like your furniture, like your couch, dining tables, your bed, your desk, your TV, like if you can sell stuff like that, like you can make some extra little cash on the side. If you don't need it, or you're moving into a bigger or a smaller space and you don't need those stuff, you can sell them. Another thing that you can do is also sell your clothes. Like, I know a lot of us, we have a lot of clothes laying in our closets that we don't wear anymore, or we plan on wearing but never get to. So this is another great way to make some extra cash on the side as well. Number 3 is to start tutoring other students. If you're great at math, if you're great at English, if you're great at writing, there are a lot of students that need help with subjects or topics that they're having difficulties in class. So this is a great way to tutor other students and earn some extra cash. You can become either a supplemental instructor or a TA, a teacher assistant. And even I know that Chegg has tutoring has a tutoring system or platform that you can sign up for and tutor other students if you're great at the subject. So I think it's a great way for you to earn some extra cash tutoring students. Number 4 is to turn your hobby into a business. I know some of us have things that we're great at, but we don't necessarily consider them to be like something that we can turn into a full-time business. But you literally can. You can, if you're great at doing other people's hair, if you're good at styling, if you're great at photography, if you're great at cooking, you can do all of these things. If you're also good with makeup and hair, guys, like you can charge people for this. I know a lot of us in this generation, a lot of people are making money from hair and makeup. So if you're really great at it and you're artistic in that way, like start charging your friends, or like maybe you can say, okay, you get this first time for free, but then the next time I'm gonna charge you. Like, you can start off your business that way. And I also know some people that turn their cooking hobby into a business. So guys, like, you can literally turn your hobbies into a business. So start this holiday season, okay? Number 5 is to become a freelancer, start blogging, or start a YouTube channel. I know this market might seem very saturated, but it doesn't have you. It literally does not have you. You might have a creative edge that the world is looking for. So start. Like if you want to start a YouTube channel, start it. And I know the best freelancing platforms to give you all that is Fiverr and Upwork. So guys, go and check out Fiverr and Upwork to for more freelancing opportunities or how to start freelancing. But if you want to start a blog, you're great at writing and you want to start a blog and share your thoughts, share an opinion, you can start a blog. And also if you're I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, hey, start so that I can follow you, okay? I can subscribe to your channel. But let me pause here. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Like, join now, come on. But go ahead and like, comment down below if you're really enjoying these tips and these side hustles so far. Number 16 is to start a drop shipping business. I personally just released my store, and it is drop shipping, and you can do that easily as well. One of the greatest platforms to use for drop shipping is Shopify, but there are other ways to start a drop shipping business without using Shopify. The one that I use is Teesprings. So you can either create a t-shirt or you have an online boutique that you want to start. You can literally do that with drop shipping, and you don't have to deal with inventory or customer service. They handle all of that stuff for you. Number 7 is to become a substitute teacher. Guys, do I have a story to tell you about this? Actually, no, I don't, because I never started it. I went through the whole entire process and did not become a substitute teacher. I never I never went to the job pretty much. So if you're a student and you have like some free time or a day or two out of your week that you don't go to class, you can even like just look into the portal, the substitute teaching portal, and like pick a day and go and become a sub, like at a high school, elementary school, whatever you want. So if you love kids, that's a great avenue to make some extra cash, like once a month or once a week, twice a week. It depends on your schedule and how flexible your schedule is. Number 8 is to do Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub. I know this is more tailored to people that drive or have a car, but I think that it's a great way to make some extra cash on the side, like on the weekends if you're not doing anything, or after you get out of class, you can go for a couple of hours and just make some extra cash on the side, picking up food and dropping it at people's houses. It's easy work. I did that personally because I was either bored at the house, I didn't have a job at the time, or couldn't work, so it was an easy way for me to make like a little bit of money on the side. Number 9 is similar to number 8, which is become an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. I know this is more tailored to if you have a car, but it's also a great way for you to make some extra money on the side. Just going out, driving people around, dropping them off and stuff. Number 10 is to babysit, house sit, or dog walk. Guys, this is an easy way to make some extra cash on the side. If you're an animal person, you can go and walk people's dogs. If you have like any neighbors that have dogs, like you can just ask them, hey, do you need your dog walk today for like $5, $10, $15, $20? So you can easily do that on the side. And with house sitting, this is a perfect time to do it because a lot of people are going on holidays and they need people to stay in their homes for them. So you can just literally house sit for people, like easy. And if you love babies, you can babysit your nieces, your nephews, or like family friends that you know, babysit them and charge a little bit money for it because you're on holiday, you need some cash. So yeah. Number 11 is to become a brand ambassador or a social media manager. If you know the Instagram algorithm, if you know the social media algorithm, this is a perfect and lucrative way to make some extra cash on the side. People need people need brand ambassadors, and people are looking for social media managers, especially the big CEOs and stuff. They don't have the time to be managing or posting things on their social media platforms, so they need people like you young, vibrant, that have the social media and technology knowledge to be managing their social media. So you can literally just reach out to people and ask, hey, do you need a social media manager? And most people might reach back out to you and say, yes, I do. And you can get started really, really quickly and easily and try and get some money on the side. And it can even become a full-time job. I know there are a lot of people that manage other people's social media, and it's their full-time job because they charging that money, baby. And with brand ambassador, you don't need a lot of social media following to become a brand ambassador, just to put that out there. Number 12 is review people's resumes and prepare people for interviews. Guys, I love this stuff so much. If you know me personally, you know that I don't play about resumes. I don't play about interviews. I will get you right for your interviews. So guys, this is an easy way to make an extra money on the side, to just review people's resumes, review and prepare them for interviews, ask them interview questions, and like you can literally make extra money on the side doing that for your friends, doing that for a coworker, doing that for like your parents, doing that for anybody around you pretty much. Number 13, donate plasma. I personally haven't done that, but I know people that have donated their plasma for money, and it's easy. If you are healthy enough to do this, I would say go for it and donate some blood to get some money. Number 14 is to get an on-campus job or a part-time job. Many campuses offer this, on-campus jobs, and I've personally done an on-campus job and a part-time job while I was in school. You just have to learn your schedule and work around it, and most on-campus jobs work with your schedule, so it's a perfect way to be in school and also work on school at the same time. It's so convenient. And a platform that I use to find most of my on-campus job, this might not be available to everyone in all campuses, everyone at all campuses, but you can go on Handshake and find on-campus jobs for your school. If your school provides has Handshake, you can pretty much go on there and find an on-campus job that you qualify for. Granted, it's not every job that you don't qualify for that you don't apply to, because sometimes you don't know the kind of opportunity that you'll get if you just apply for the job, even if you don't qualify for it. That's just a little tip. Number 15, internships. I've also done an internship, guys. It's a great way to learn about the field that you're going into, especially an internship that is in your major or that caters to your major. It's a great way to get that experience so that you know what you're going in for, and it's also a great way to secure a full-time job right after school. So get an internship if you can. It's a great way. And also if you can get a paid internship, that's even better, because you're earning money, learning about the field that you're going into, and maybe possibly securing a full-time job. So you're all wins at that point. All wins, big money, all wins, big money, all wins. Number 16 is to invest in your future. This can be categorized in whatever way that you think of it as. It can be either caring for your health, mentally, emotionally, physically, because we do go through a lot as college students, but you can also invest in your future in terms of like investing in property, investing in the stock market, and two great well, there are many different trading and investment platforms out there, but two that I personally use is TD Ameritrade and Robinhood. So you can also invest in terms of monetary means in your future, and just also taking care of yourself, planning for your future, planning for what am I going to do after school. That's a great way to also invest in your future, and it can investing in the stock market can become a side hustle, or even trading or doing cryptocurrency. Those are different ways to also invest in your future. Yes, you might not be getting the return that you want now, but it will pay off in the future. Okay guys, so that's it. That's all I have for y'all. If you want more content like this, please leave a comment down below on the different topics that you want me to cover in terms of college and finances, and I would love to make those videos for you guys. Don't forget to like, Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because there's a lot of y'all watching my content and are not subscribed. So guys, let's get subbies increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. God bless you and have a great day. Bye guys. Guys, shit. No busy. Go. Okay, come on.